Hello, Monday Coffee team. Thanks for joining us today. Reto, can you introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about Monday Coffee?
Hello, Dan. Sure. My name is Reto Meneghini, and I'm the founder and CEO of MondayCoffee. What we're doing is basically guiding customers on their modern work journey. We help them to adopt business processes and behaviors to take full advantage of Microsoft 365. So we work a lot with end users from whom over the years we got a lot of requests for something like a simplification layer on top of Microsoft 365, something that turns the platform from a toolbox of apps into something that thinks more in terms of business use cases. And that's exactly what we did, and we have been successful with it in the market ever since.
So tell us a little bit about your Teams application and what you're doing with Fluid Framework.
Sure. If you have a look at the right side of our screen, you see it in action right now. It's actually an in-meeting app for Teams that allows for collaborative minutes taking. So first of all, it's real time. So you see that Oliver, who's a participant of the meeting as well, is taking a note right now. So probably he's summarizing kind of the stuff that I'm talking about. But it's also collaborative, so not only Oliver can take notes here, but everyone who's on the meeting. So everyone who's on the meeting can create new entries, edit existing items, and this kind of thing. And last but not least, it's also structured, so every entry that is created is being labeled as being either an information, a decision, or a task. And actually all the decisions are then written to a decisions database. So after the meeting, we will be able to search for all the decisions that we have ever taken on that project and this kind of thing. And also all the tasks that we create are automatically being converted into planner tasks, so that after the meeting, we can follow up with all the work that has been collected during the meeting.
Well, that looks really useful, and it's great to see that real-time collaboration going on during the meeting. What was it like working with the Fluid Framework?
It was a straightforward experience for us, a very positive experience, and we were surprised on actually how fast we got everything up and running.
Well, that's great to hear. So where do you go from here? What's next?
We have a lot of plans with Fluid, actually. First of all, we will build what we see as a prototype right now into our production app. And then also we'll build additional stuff that we have in mind, like, for example, we think about a sticky note app and these kind of things, just things that add to this more collaborative experience in Teams for taking notes in a collaborative fashion during the meeting. So actually, John, you said in the meeting minutes that the sticky notes feature is a decision, which is correct. We just decided that. But on the other hand, it's more than that. It's a task. We want to work on that, and I will want to start as fast as possible. So why don't you just convert it into a task?
Yes, of course. I can just edit this decision item, convert it to a task, assign it to myself, and save it.
Well, great. Super. Thank you.
Nice. Well, thanks for joining us today. It was great to hear about your application and the progress you're making with Fluid Framework.
Thanks for having us.